They try to smell the female.
Oh.
Try to find if it's only heating, maybe.
Oh, all right, yeah. That would make sense.
It's dripping off the back.
That is hysterical. No, all day. I got that.
Oh, that's interesting the way he does that.
He's sniffing to see if the woman's
in heat.
Yeah.
Oh, one's limping. Oh, why is it always limping?
He'll be okay. It's just a muscle.
So, you think so?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh no, in the shade.
Maybe that's why it's limping.
Oh,
Well, as
my
long as
God.
they don't back up.
Remember I told you before about the land down here.
Yeah.
Does he know it's there? He's not going to back up.
He's not going to back up. He'll go forward.
No, he might back up.
Hopefully not.
Oh. I got it.
That is
I
the
got that.
funniest.
I got it too.
That's a hot truck.
She's got her camera out the window. Is she nuts?
Yep. The answer's yes.